Hello students, welcoming to our YouTube channel. I am Patel. Now we are going to our video. It's part 4 of economics, chapter 1, graphs in economics. I think we are discussing the types of bar diagram. First, simple bar diagram. Now we are going to our next topic, that is second type, clustered bar diagram. Clustered, there are 3 types of data we can easily see on this diagram, okay, and we have to define in different categories, different animations. Now the second and the third divided bar diagram, our second topic of this video. We have to divide one bar into 2 or 3, but we are discussing today into 2 parts. So continue watching this video to identify the 2 types of diagram in our economics. Now we are moving on the second type of bar diagram, that is clustered bar diagram, which means the values of a common variable and over a common base are given for more than one section of related parameters, which means there are given a 1 or 2 or 3 information regarding the data. One example: sales of chocolate boxes of different sizes in a shop, like small size, medium size and large size. इस तरीके के डेटा हम किस तरह के डायग्राम पर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? तो उसका जवाब है क्लस्टर्ड बार डायग्राम. जी हाँ, क्लस्टर्ड बार डायग्राम पे इसी प्रकार के डेटा को हम 1.6 द नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स सोल्ड, sales in units, small size, medium size, large size. There are given data January to December. Now we will put these numbers on the diagram. First of all, we are putting the x-axis months and on the y-axis scales in units. We can say the first month, January February, the size is small size, medium size and large size. We have to give them different identification like dotted lines and blank or a black. So we can say easily that small size in 30, medium size 15 and large size 25. Same as we can continue our whole diagram with this data. Now our clustered bar diagram is ready. It is very simple. Now we can analyze easily that how the sales of the chocolate boxes. So it is very simple diagram as now the next types and the third type of bar diagram, that is divided bar diagram. In this diagram every single value of the variable has subcategories. Yes, in this data there is subcategories of one statistical data which represent a common variable and a common base values. इसमें आपको एक ही डेटा के 3 से 4 अलग अलग सब डेटा दिए होंगे जो हमें एक ही डायग्राम पर बताने हैं. Here the textbook example: buy monthly sale of chocolate boxes by a salesperson in rural and urban areas in a region. Sector: rural, urban and all India. And the sales in units January, February to November, December. There are 3 other factors like rural, urban and all India. We have to define this on the diagram and we use the divided bar diagram for this type of data. Now we are going to draw the divided bar diagram. X-axis months and the y-axis sales in unit. First January February, there are sales in rural area 30 and sales in urban area 40. So we have to define a 30 and 40, 70 total. Okay, so we have to draw a bar 0 to 70 between the 60 and 80, and we have to divide that bar with rural, that is 30, and urban, that is 40. So we can easily continue the whole diagram with this method and we can draw easily divided bar diagram and we can say the sales of chocolate boxes of months. So we can say the simple bar diagram, clustered bar diagram and divided bar diagram is easy for us. So students, we have discussed about clustered bar diagram and divided bar diagram in this video. Now if you have any question, please comment below on that video on our channel, so I can easily read your comments and I think your questions and I will answer that question definitely. Theoretically तो आपने ये डायग्राम समझ लिए हैं, लेकिन आपको कंपलसरी घर पे इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. यू हैव टू take some time for this diagram and practice of this diagram at home. Okay, so you can easily draw this type of diagram in exam and also in